Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food all around the world. Today for you, I have Level Naturals unboxing. But just real quick, disclaimer, it is my birthday month, so we'll see how uploads go. I can't promise anything. I'm hoping that I can maintain some sort of a schedule. We'll see. I do have a giveaway going on. That link will be down below. And I also have an announcement to a future giveaway. That link will be down below. Level Naturals is an all-natural bath box, I guess. I mean, you know, bath bombs, shower bombs, things like that, soap. And I don't remember which tier I get. I believe it's the second tier. There's either 2 tiers or there's 3 tiers. So I'm pretty sure if there's 3, I get the middle one. If there's only 2, then I get the largest one. And you also get to pick how often you get it. So we chose every 8 weeks, and we pay $33.76 every 8 weeks for this box. And this is probably my second favorite bath box by far. So let's go ahead and get into it. And it is Sunday. I am kind of laid back. I am wearing a Stark t-shirt for Game of Thrones tonight. So I am a little more casual than usual. I mean, I do like to wear t-shirts, but usually like the neck isn't stretched out or whatever. But you know, I'm super casual because it is Sunday. So let's get into this box. So you open it up and it is a box inside of a box, and it says Level Naturals, the Goodest Box. And there is a card in here, and it just says Level Naturals. And it says a free Epsom salt bath bomb with a purchase of $30 or more. Use the code RELAX. So I'm assuming maybe that could be with my next box, or I don't know, maybe you have to make a future or like a separate purchase. I'm not sure. And this is my receipt. So let's see. Oh, and on here, you know, it tells you it's made with a whole lot of love. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's 100% gluten-free. And that tells you that. And then it tells you, now, with this box, you actually get to pick the grouping that you would like to have. And I don't remember, but they do check them off. So for example, the candle is lavender and chamomile. The bath bombs are jasmine and rose and rosemary clay, which is not what I picked. I did pick the grapefruit and bergamot though. So I'm a little confused because these are not what I picked. So let's get into it and see if I like the way these smell. So here we have the soap, and it is tea tree activated charcoal. Oh, that smells so good. The last time I got this box, and I will link that down below, the last time I got this box, I got the eucalyptus box. Oh, that smells so good. This is a rosemary and clay bath bomb. And I can kind of smell it through the plastic, but not really. This bath bomb is grapefruit and bergamot. I can definitely smell the bergamot in that one. And then this last one is jasmine and rose. Now, the reason I know that I wouldn't have picked this is because I don't like rose. I don't like the scent rose, but I don't know, maybe they just ran out of the ones that I picked, or maybe I just didn't read the description all the way. That's totally possible, because when I do things, I like to do them at 3 o'clock in the morning when I should be sleeping. The next thing is the lavender and chamomile candle. That smells pretty good. It's very heavily scented with lavender, which isn't always my favorite scent, but I can also smell the chamomile in here. So it might be okay. I don't know, sometimes lavender gives me a headache if it's too heavily scented with lavender, but maybe once it starts to burn, it'll be okay. And then the last thing in here are the shower bombs, and this is organic menthol and eucalyptus. And you open it up, and there are 6 in here. They look like that. Oh, that just smells so good. I absolutely love that. I love that. All right, you guys, that is Level Naturals, the Goodest Box, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.